Your Zoomed profile picture is displayed to meeting attendees and contacts. To protect your privacy or just get rid of the picture, Zoom lets you delete it without any hassle. So here's how you can remove your Zoom profile picture. Go ahead and first launch the Zoom Workplace. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on the name in the top of the menu that appears. Once you hover your mouse over there, you will see My Profile in the side. Go ahead and tap on that option. This will open the Zoom website. Tap on your profile picture again in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on your name. This will open your profile. Now go ahead and hover your mouse to your profile picture and you will see the pencil icon. Go ahead and tap on that. Now tap on change in the bottom. From the drop down menu that appears, you can take photo, delete it, delete the current profile picture, or choose any profile picture from your device to upload it on Zoom. And tap on save in the bottom that is highlighted in blue color and you'll be done. You can see the indication of your settings have been updated. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.